Hello guys, welcome back to CodeCraft with Oshan. Today's topic is really exciting. Java conditions. And the subtitle says it perfectly. Making decisions in Java. So, let's get into the story. So, in this video, we are going to cover 5 things. What are conditions, the if statement, the if else statement, the else if ladder, and finally the switch statement. So, don't worry. By the end of this video, all 5 will make completely sense. Okay guys, let's start with the story. Imagine you wake up in the morning. You look outside the window. It is raining. So you take an umbrella before going out. Now think about this. You made a decision. You look at the situation. And based on that situation, you choose what to do. That's exactly what conditions are in Java. Conditions allows a program to make decisions. Just like you decide to take an umbrella because it was raining. Now program can also look at a situation and decide what to do next. That's the key point. Conditions help programs choose different actions based on different situations. Now let's bring this into code. The first and most basic condition is the if statement. Think of it like this. If something is true, do this thing. That's it. For example, if it is raining, take an umbrella. In Java, it looks like this. If it's raining, equal true, print take an umbrella. The code inside the curly brackets only runs when the condition is true. If it is not raining, nothing happens. The program just move on. That's the key point of the if statement. So remember it. It only runs when the condition is true. Let me show you this in code so you can see exactly how it works live. But wait, what if it is not raining? In real life, you would say, okay, it's not raining, so I leave the umbrella at home. That's exactly what the if else statement does. It covers both sides. If the condition is true, do this. Otherwise, else do that. So, now our story becomes if it is raining, take an umbrella. Else, leave it at home. The key point here, one block always executes. Either the if runs or the else runs, one of them will always happen. Now let's make our story a little more interesting. Imagine you wake up and check the weather app. It doesn't just say raining or not raining. It says if it's raining, take an umbrella. If it's sunny, wear sunglasses. If it is cold, wear a jacket. If it is windy, stay home. See, now we have multiple situations, and for each situation, a different action. That is the else if ladder. When you have more than two possibilities, you stack them one after another, like a ladder. Java checks from the top one by one. The moment it finds a condition that is true, it runs that block and skip everything else. And just like if else, one block always executes. So let's code this together in code. Now imagine your weather app only has fixed options. Option 1 is rain, option 2 is sun, option 3 is cold. So you pick a number and it tells you what to do. That is exactly the switch statement. Instead of writing a long else if ladder, switch gives us a cleaner, neater way to compare one value against many options. So why switch? Because when you have many else if blocks, all checking the same variable, the code starts to look messy and long. Switch makes it much cleaner and easier to read. Think of it like a TV remote. So you press one button, it goes directly to the channel. It doesn't check every channel one by one. Let me show you the switch statement in code, and you will immediately see how much cleaner and it looks compared to else if. And that's it, guys. Let's quickly go back through our story. We woke up, look at the weather, and our program made decisions. A simple decision with if, a two sides decisions with if else, multiple situations with the else if ladder, and a clean, neat way to handle fixed options with a switch. That's our conditions, and now you know exactly how and when you use each one by one. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll talk about Java operators. So, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, guys.